Now we'll start learning about circle command. So they have many options to draw circle. One by one, I'll show you about that 6 option. The first option represents that center radius. So if we click here, center radius. Otherwise, if I want to use command from keyboard, then we'll click C. We'll click C, then enter. And it's telling us specify the center point of circle. Okay, or 3P, 2P, TR, 10 radius. They have many options actually. Okay, they have many options. 3P, 2P, and 10 radius. That means two sides. They have 2 point means they have some tangent with 2 point and tangent with 3 point, and this is tangent, and radius. So it will be clear when we'll start drawing it. I'll skip that. Now I'll go here on circle command and I'll click here, and the first option will use center radius. I'll click here. So what is the meaning of that? It means we'll use or we'll specify the center point of our circle, and after that we have to provide the radius. That means center and radius command. So I'll click here, and it's telling us specify radius of circle. So I'll click here. How much radius we need actually? I'll click here. Suppose 100 feet. I'll give a feet sign, enter. Just see, they have a circle with 100 feet. And if we want to confirm that is it okay or not, then I'll go here linear and that option radius, and we'll click on it, and I'll click here and see this is R 100 feet, and it's not showing because when we have changed our dimension style, then we have provided some distance or size that is not capable with that. So I'll change it. So to change that, I'll just go here, format, then dimension style. From dimension style we'll click standard and then modify, and from modify I'll go here text. So what is the size? What will be the size of text? I'll consider our text size will be 10 inch, and here symbol and arrow that will also be 10 inch. And if I click OK, then if I click set current and if I close, then we can see they have some change, and if we double click here we can see its size is 10 inch. But even this size is 10 inch, it's looking so small. Why? Because the circle size is very big. So what we can do that, again I'll go here in dimension style. So I click D and then enter dimension style, and I will go for modify, and from here arrow size I'll consider suppose 50 inch, and our text I'll also consider 50 inch, and see what happened. Click and click set current and close. Just see, it's now big. See, this way we have to change our dimension style also, and a radius of circle with 100 feet. Clear? So that was the way to create a circle with radius dimension.